Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let's slice our 4 medium-sized potatoes using a mandolin slicer. If you don't have a mandolin, you can use a very sharp knife. But be extra careful to keep the slices as thin and uniform as possible. Aim for about 2-3 mm thickness. You'll know you're doing it right when you can almost see through the slices. Now, we need to remove excess moisture from our potato slices, which is crucial for achieving that perfect puff later. Lay them out on paper towels and let them rest for 20 minutes. Don't skip this step. You'll know they're ready when the paper towels have absorbed visible moisture and the slices feel less wet to the touch. Here comes a delicate step, dusting one side of each slice with cornstarch. Use a fine mesh sieve to ensure even distribution. If you don't have one, you can use a tea strainer. The trick is to apply a very thin, even layer. You should barely see the white powder on the surface. Next, we'll work with our 2 egg whites, applying them to the non-cornstarch side of each slice. Use a pastry brush if you have one, or your clean fingers will work just fine. Make sure to get an even coating. You should see a thin, glossy layer covering the entire surface. Now for some potato matchmaking. We'll stack 2 slices together, making sure the cornstarch side of each slice meets the egg white side of another. Think of it like making a tiny potato sandwich. The egg white acts like glue to hold our layers together. Time to get fancy with our stacked slices. Using a metal ring mold cutter, we'll cut through both layers to create perfect circles. If you don't have a ring mold, you can use a clean, empty tuna can with both ends removed. You'll know you've done it right when you have neat, uniform circles with no ragged edges. Let's heat our oil to exactly 150 degrees C, 302 degrees F, in a deep frying pan or pot. If you don't have a thermometer, drop a small piece of potato in. It should gently bubble but not brown immediately. This temperature is crucial for the soufflé effect, so take your time getting it right. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Now, for the magic moment. Carefully place your potato stacks in the hot oil and start ladling the hot oil over them. You'll actually see them start to puff up like little balloons. It's quite amazing. Keep ladling until they're evenly golden brown, which usually takes about 2-3 minutes. Finally, remove your pomme soufflés and let them drain on paper towels. They should be crispy, hollow, and beautifully puffed up, like golden pillows. Serve them immediately while they're hot and at their crispiest. Trust me, the wow factor when you present these is worth all the effort. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one. Bye.